identify or faculties should identify?
Yes, I think to blame something on or to give cause to students would be, I think, injustice to students, because they are receivers.
Yes.
They will receive what is given to them as an environment, as an individual. So when we are talking about that, if student is developed, it is because of him. I think it is a half truth. There is something called identifying a specific purpose, as we were rightly Pooja ma'am said, that English for specific purpose. You cannot and should not teach the same way English to doctor the same way you teach to an engineer, because they are going to use their language differently. So there has to be a specific requirement. Even before that, I believe that next to your orientation program, what you need to do is, there is something called need analysis. There is a major problem that we face is because of kind of variety of students we have in the same class, right? And what we are offering is one size fits all,
Yes.
which obviously not going to work when you are talking about let's say giving a same test to an elephant, to a fish and to a sparrow. So that is injustice to all three of them.
Yes.
So when we are talking about need analysis, I think right after the orientation, if you can spend some quality time with your students and you can identify the levels, which is easily available, and I'm sure we are going to talk in next session something called European framework and the need-based analysis, wherein you can level them. That okay, that student belongs to which level. So there are ways like diagnostic tests can be organized. Because of this diagnostic test, you will come to know that okay, out of 60 students, only these many students need the basic say fundamental grammar and composition kinds of exercise. Rest of them are having comparatively better exposure to language, so they should be given higher activity. So when we are planning the activities for our students, then we need to check the level also, because the activity that would work very well with one group may fail with the other. The difference would be basically because of the difference of level, one. Second, it would be also because of their interest. The storytelling, for example, may work very well with one group, mostly with the say girl students in our class, which may not work with the boys, right? So there you need to come up with the choice of it in horizontal and vertical both ways.
Correct.
Vertical in terms of what level he or she belongs,
Yes.
right? And accordingly you group them, right? And there I think you were talking about the monetary and the permission kind of a limitation when you go out of the class, but within the class you are the king or the queen.
Yes.
And if so, why don't you utilize your class that okay, for these kinds of activity, this is for level 1, this is for level 2.
Yeah, actually I would like to